Are you looking for to fix screen mirroring not working on iPhone? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. Start by heading over to the settings of a device. Inside settings, move into General, and then head over to AirPlay and Continuity. In this page, click on Automatically AirPlay. Make sure that the settings is set to automatic. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is to disable VPN if connected. Head over to General once again. Scroll all the way down and tap on VPN and Device Management. Over here you have to make sure that the VPN is not connected. If it is connected, simply disable it. Most of the time, disabling VPN has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. If not, the next thing you want to try doing is restart the device. Tap and hold this assistive touch, and then click on Restart. Once the device has been restarted, check whether the issue has been fixed or not, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.